All right, most of y'all don't like this pimento cheese. Y'all buy this store-bought pimento cheese. It's awful. I absolutely hated pimento cheese until a couple years ago. And there's a lady we went to church with. She had this world-famous pimento cheese, and everybody said, "Hey, you need to go get some of Bet's pimento cheese." I don't like pimento cheese. You like Bet's pimento cheese, so I go over there and I get me a little cracker. My word, it's unbelievable. Pimento cheese. So the difference between homemade pimento cheese and pimento cheese in the store is pimento cheese in the store needs to stay in the store, and pimento cheese that's made at home needs to go on my belly. Well, my wife is about to that's funny, wasn't it? My wife's about to make some pimento cheese, and I'm gonna video, and she's gonna tell you how it's done. You need to try it. It's delicious. Here we are making the southern delicacy, pimento cheese. Look, you don't have to have this fancy tabletop grinder. What do you call the grinder you use? Grater. Not a grinder, you grind meat. Box grater. Or you can use one of these fancy ones. I don't know what that's called. Alright, tell us what do you got here? What kind of cheese?
We've got some sharp cheddar cheese.
Sharp cheddar cheese.
16 ounces.
You're gonna grind up 16 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese.
You can use different types,
Okay.
but as long as you have 16 ounces.
What kind of shred you putting on there? Is that a medium shred, a fine shred?
Probably a fine shred.
A fine shred. Alright, we're putting a fine shred. Y'all get a good look at that fine shred. What size bowl? Medium size bowl? We got a medium size bowl here. Fine shred on 16 ounces of cheese.
Next, we're going to add in our diced pimentos. This is 4 ounces with the juice. We're also going to add 2 tablespoons of olive juice.
Can we eat an olive?
This is just juice only in here.
Juice only.
I've saved it
So we keep our
specifically
olive juice.
for pimento cheese.
Awesome.
We're going to stir this, combine this together.
Super easy, right?
Yes,
Like, so easy a caveman could do it.
absolutely.
Like, so easy Jared could do it.
Maybe.
Alright, you're using mayonnaise, but there's one specific. There's that.
Dukes.
Y'all take a gander at that right there. You got Dukes.
And
That's number
everything else.
1. And you got Bama.
Dukes
That's
of
number
Hazzard.
2. Dukes of Hazzard. You got Dukes. That's number 1. And you got Bama. That's number 2. Is there any other type of mayonnaise?
No, that's it.
That's the only 2 types. All right.
Preferably Dukes. We're not
Dukes.
being sponsored by them.
We're
by
not
the way.
sponsored by Dukes. They just have the best mayonnaise. Look, if you go to Walmart in the South during a quarantine, what mayonnaise is still going to be on the shelf?
Probably some Miracle Whip.
Miracle Whip. So don't use Miracle Whip, right? Use mayonnaise,
Yeah.
preferably Dukes or Bama. But if you don't have Dukes or Bama, make sure it's mayonnaise.
If you don't have Dukes or Bama, just don't make pimento cheese.
So how much mayonnaise did you put in there?
Well, we're going to start out with about 2 tablespoons and go from there.
Start out with 2 tablespoons. Look at that goodness. Oh yeah. Start out with 2 tablespoons.
We're gonna need more than that.
Gonna need more than that. And you're just mixing it up. There's number 3. And here comes, is that number 4? That was about a half. So we're up to 3.5 tablespoons right now. And you're saying you just add it until you get the consistency you're looking for?
Yeah, and as it sits in the fridge, it's gonna kind of get a little more creamy. So
So this is not ready to eat.
No, you need to let it sit in the fridge as long as you can.
Which is around here.
Yeah, about an hour.
It sits in the fridge about an hour. But if you waited 24 hours, it'd be better.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What do you think, Tex? You ready for it?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna add a little pepper. This is peppercorn. Just add pepper to taste. This is optional. Is that optional?
Yes.
It's optional. We got about 3.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 16 ounces of pimento, and 16 ounces
Of cheese.
of cheese. 16 ounces of cheese. Not 16 ounces of pimento. 16 ounces of cheese. How much pimento?
It was about I think it was a
large
4
jar.
ounce. I think it was a
4
4
ounce.
ounce jar.
4-ounce jar. Here, let me help y'all out right here. Watch this. Hit pause on the video. There you go. Homemade pimento cheese. Everything you need to know. Add to desired consistency on the mayo. But we did 3.5 tablespoons. Now, this is going into the refrigerator, and we'll snack on it for a little while, and probably last less than a day. Anything else on the Southern delicacy?
Just enjoy.
Enjoy.